Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you some iPhone keyboard tips and tricks. These tips will help you type faster and in a fun way. Alright, the first tip is how to easily move the cursor inside the message. All you have to do is press and hold the spacebar and you can move the cursor a lot easier than trying to move it to the right spot yourself. Like you're trying to move it inside is awesome. Just hold the spacebar key and navigate to where you want the cursor to be instead of trying to fiddle with it to the right spot yourself. This next tip is for emojis. Did you know that you can press and hold an emoji to get a different skin tone? So for example, I can press on this astronaut right here and hold it. You can see you can get a different skin tone. Press and hold it and you can select a better one that better matches who you are. So if you are tired of this yellow skin tone, just press and hold it and you can navigate to the skin color you like. And finally, this next one is for anybody that has a large iPhone. If you press and hold on the emoji key, you can see that you can change the keyboard to a one-handed mode just like this. You can also switch it to the left or right. So now hopefully you know how to use your keyboard a lot better. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more and I'll see you on the next one.